Hello programmers. The big white portion of this window is called the main screen where you are going to draw shapes by writing commands. This small triangle visible is known as turtle, in which its top is known as head and the forward direction is indicated by that. As marked, this small box is called as the commander window. This area bordered with blue color is known as recall list box. This long text box is called the command input box. Here the little programmers will command logo to draw their desired shapes. These are the control buttons. Most preferable is execute, which runs a command to get a shape on screen. Let's learn about the turtle with the help of a protractor on how it changes its direction on a command. The number used with RT command is measured in degrees. RT10 stands for right turn by 10 degrees. Notice the menu bar. To click Set Menu, then click Pen Size. To choose the thickness of the line and click OK. Click Set Menu, then click Pen Color. To choose the color of the line, then click OK. Command FD100 typed in the command input box, then either click Execute or press Enter on your keyboard. After execution, the command FD100 is visible in the recall list box and draws a line towards the turtle. Next, BK100 draws a line in opposite direction of the turtle. Recall list box can be used to reuse a command visible by clicking on it to make it appear on the command input box, then press Enter or click Execute. Divide 360 by 3 in rough, then make a triangle, which is a closed shape made of 3 sides which need the turtle turn 120 degrees 3 times. Multiple commands can be typed in a line, as FD100 and RT120 are typed separated by a space. Pentagon is a closed shape with 5 sides which need the turtle turn 72 degrees every time. CS stands for clear screen, which removes every line from the main screen, and CT means clear text, which removes every command from recall list box. Here is a bonus command which creates a design and show the command to hide turtle also. Thank you.